Here we are, attempt number 2. Oh, this thing, I don't think I've ever messed up on something more in my life. So here we go. Okay, so this is the boring way. This is from our sliders example from a long time ago. Okay, we're just seeing all the sets of data at once. And it's not dynamic at all. You can't change it. So it's just statically based on this data. Okay, then we learned the slider way, which is really cool. Okay, and it's using the sliders linked to this year, then it's using VLOOKUP to find the data matching that year. It's plotting that data, so it's changing with the year. Okay, and this is a plot based on this table I created. Okay, and this is kind of dynamic in the way that I can deselect certain things, and then it just plots those ones, and it's cool because it updates the plot to fit the number of data. So if we have 3, look at this. If we have 4, it looks like this, and 5, it scrunches even more, which is pretty cool. Okay, so now we're going to learn how to kind of dynamically change it with a slider. So I'm going to copy and paste the data we need. Last time this didn't work. Hopefully it will this time. Control B. You know what I'm doing right now. Okay, and then we copy and paste %min. I'm not going to worry about this other data for this example. Okay. Just options. Okay, first insert a slider. Kind of refresher of that. So over here. Okay. And then right click, format control. Decide a macro. Now we're going to do macros. That'd be cool too. Oh yeah, another way to do this. Okay, 10, 10. Okay, we get a linkage to a cell. Okay, so that's going to allow us to go cycle from 1970 to 2010, increasing by 10. Okay, so like this. Cool. So then the idea is this is the mean year. Okay, so like if it's 2010, it's only going to plot 2010. And years 2000, plot 2000, 2010. So, okay, and that'll make more sense as we go along. Copy, paste this over here. Now I want to have the slider be able to manipulate this. So if we want the min year, we only show the data if it's greater than or equal to the min year. So equals if the logical test, this value is greater or equal to this value, and show this. Also show blank. Okay. Before I drag and all that, some dollar signs, and this value doesn't change at all, so I need a dollar sign for both. Cool. So now if we drag down, let's see. Okay. Then I think we just need to change the data type here. So percent. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so now so now you get rid of the years that are less than our min year, which is kind of cool. Okay, and then first you can say, okay, we could plot this and it'll look into what we want, right? That's what we're thinking. So let's try that. Plot, select data, and oops. Series name, %min, this. Okay. Add another 1% women. Edit. Okay. Okay. Now let's add a little legend. So let's do this one. Okay, so let's see what happens. So I don't like this because it's not like this one we were changing it. It was resizing it based on the number of data points we have. This one isn't. So those kind of doing what we want. It doesn't look dynamic. It doesn't look smooth. Okay. So I'll share this link with you guys on the assignment. That's right here. Okay, and this is where you're going to run into issues. This is the big place to run into it's creating formula names that dynamically change based on the values here and how many are showing. So it allows us to plot only 3, 2, 1 at once, and let that plot to change with it. Okay, so we're going to go to formulas, main manager, new, call P here, slider. We're just going to copy and paste this formula and change it. Just rare events issues. Last time I tried to make this video, we're going to give it a go again. Okay. Let's go to name. I should change it. So this needs to be, that's the sheet name, so slider. Okay. So this is another example, obviously. And A is a column, starts at 2. Counts on count A. Slider again. Okay. We don't need the minus now. So save. Copy and paste this one. That's more similar. Hit new. This is pman. So this is the dynamic choosing formula for this. Bam. Okay. And then we just change all the AAs to ABs. Okay. Sadly, it isn't as smooth as other stuff in Excel, at least for me. It is new, but it'll work this time. Okay, change this to AC. Okay, we'll give this baby a go. Okay, so now we have these formulas, and so now when we go to design and select data, instead of it being this range of data like this, we're just going to type in P. Make sure it matches our formula names. Okay, so we got to go into here, design, select data, edit, and then instead of saying this range, we're going to say our formula, which is P net. And then hit OK. Oh, this is working better than last time. And then instead of this, say P women. Okay. This. P here. Cool. Okay. Let's see if this works. It does. So it's funky. So it's resizing it. So what it's doing, this is good. This is a good example. So what it's doing here. So it would work perfectly if I just deleted these, let's say. Okay. And then bam, it resizes. But that's not what we want. We don't want it to be doing based on this, right? So what's doing this, it's plotting 4 because there's 4 here, but it only goes 4 down from here. So it only plots these 3. Now we have 3, but only plots 1990 because it only goes 3 down. Now we have 2, but it only goes 2 down, 1, and it only goes 1 down. So we got to figure out where, this is where I spent some time trying to figure out today. Now, there's probably an easier way to do it, but this is how I figured it out. I have to take this chart and when we get this space, we move everything up. So it takes out the blanks, okay? So I went to my handy dandy internet, searched for a while. And this is super magic and terrific, but I found, let's see if I can find this formula again. It's right here. Right here. This is awkward. Okay, so I found this little form. I found this guy right here. Copy. And that allows the column to update how we want to do it with this blanks, okay? So let's give it a go. this is one of those things that we're going to copy it and then be like, well, this doesn't make any sense for us. It equals here to B. I want AA. So that's, we don't go 6 to 15, we go to 6. Okay? Keep this the same. This is just the settings of the aggregate. Hold on, I need to get rid of something. There we go. 6, so this 15, 6 stays the same. This changes to AA1. AA6. Okay. AA1. This is my internet's really quick, so I don't completely understand what's going on here, which is bad. I will spend some time trying to figure it out. AE, AE, bam. So then we have year, okay? And then we drag this down, okay? And we drag this over, which isn't going to work at first because we need to change AA, AB, B. 4 minutes left before my video shuts off. AB. We'll be done. AB. 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 And this is now yeah, perfect. And then bring that guy down. Okay. Year. Which is just C. 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 This is actually really cool. I like this a lot. Okay. And then bring this down. Okay, change this. Percentage. Okay. And now we gotta change our formulas that we're plotting to these points here. Just watch this, ready? Bam. See how it brings it up? So once again we're having trouble because we're trying to plot here. So we count 2. Now this would work. It would be the 2 would be up there. Okay? So now we need to go to formulas. Name manager, edit PN first, instead of saying AB, I want AF for here, okay? Women, G, here. Oh, we're gonna get this done in time. E. Oops. Hopefully it's good up. Save. Now hopefully it's plotting me. So let's see. Oh, there we go. And now we have this really cool dynamic graph that's based on the slider and updates. Okay? Once again, one type of thing you might want to fix when you're doing this. So right click. Axes. Set 1 so it doesn't change. Now it's constant, so the graph, which is really cool. Okay? And if you want to like, oh, that's, we don't need all the way to 1. 0.7. Oops, that's 7.7. Okay. Cool. Okay. Well, hopefully that is helpful and not completely confusing. Okay. And we'll go over this in class, obviously, if there's this you can fall back on, or if you miss class. Thanks a lot.